Alrighty then. This morning I have probably one of the last buck converter that I will do a video on probably for a while, since unless I need to go out and buy some more buck converters, because I already have quite a lot of them. This buck converter was originally one that I bought, or one like it that I bought for the generator that I built, which also can be used to the same generator charging control unit that I built. And this was what would take the 24 volts output of the generator and knock it down to 12 volts. This is a 30 volt max input, outputs 29 volts maximum, 10 amps, and it's adjustable voltage. As best I can tell, it does not have current limiting. But it's just a simple DC to DC buck converter. Comes one of the few that comes wrapped in this metal case, and I've already taken the screws out of it. It's a pretty simple one. It's not much in it. This chip here, I've looked it up, and it is a N76 E003 AT20, and that's a small microcontrol unit. Apparently it's used to do the switching and to control the display on here. So this is actually pretty simple to use. You give it a voltage in, and it will, you can control the voltage output. So right now, this is the voltage coming in, 26.2 volts, and the output is set to 2.2. Just put this like this so that's easier. You can see the display goes off after a little bit, or no, actually it goes off because my connection came loose. So alright, so the voltage adjustment is done through this little potentiometer, which alright, so you can see input 26.1 volts, output 12.9, 13 volts. This is fuse protected. I can't read the rating on that fuse without taking this completely apart, but I'm going to hazard a guess that it's probably 10 amps. In my little generator charge controller unit that I built. This actually worked pretty good. The generator puts out a max, it puts out over 24 volts, and even though I went over 30 volts, it didn't seem to fry it. So there may be it may be able to handle a little more than 30 volts. I couldn't find any more information on any of the specs for this. Currently, the price right now is about twice what I paid. I believe I'd have to look up what I paid. I'll put that in the you know, down here. But currently, I think they want like $32 for one. Let's see here. Yeah, currently the price is $37, $37.98. So I can't say for certain that it's worth that much, but if you can find another seller that has one, it works pretty good. I'm going to disconnect it from power. And the case that it's in is aluminum, and it's actually the heat sink for these two either transistors or MOSFETs. I don't want to take this apart. There's not much more to say about this. Other than it works fine. So there you go.